For 25 years, TROIKA Systems, headquartered in the UK, have been leading the way in the development and manufacture of 2 and 3D scanning microscopes for the print and related industries. With thousands of systems in operation around the world, available through a worldwide dealer network, they are produced under strict quality control conditions and backed by global customer service and support. Meet the Anycam and Surface Cam scanning microscopes, state-of-the-art 3D scanning tools for today's printer and its world-leading inventory management softwares. Made to measure all aspects of analogs, flexographic plate and gravure cylinders to a proven, accurate standard and consistency. Designed to improve your print processes through quality control management, they give a typical 15% make-ready waste saving, improving your bottom line and reducing disposal costs, helping reduce your environmental impact and increase your sustainability. Reducing ink changeover time and ink inventory, a 55% reduction of ink wastage can be achieved along with improved repeat job matching. Reducing job change setup time can increase your productivity by 4%. It's time you stopped simply throwing money away and invest in your future with the TROIKA Systems Anycam. If you don't measure it, you can't control it.